Welcome back, everyone. When I originally got the scans back from these rolls, I was really upset because I'm such a perfectionist and sometimes I hold myself to standards that are a little bit unrealistic. But after looking at them for a few days, I'm okay with them. I actually like a few of them now. So enjoy. I am here with the lovely Riley, who you may recognize from my last video. She was the first photo on the first roll through this camera from just a few days ago. And so we met up again to do a whole set on 3 different film stocks. We're here in the beautiful Laguna Beach on a absolutely perfect day. Overcast, nobody on the beach, it's a dream. So the first roll we're going to send through is roll Portrait 160. I am going to be shooting it with an off-camera flash, and so I'm going to have the transmitter set up right here on the side. And let's get right to it. Good, let your mouth fall open. So obviously something has gone terribly wrong here. It's super overexposed, and we'll find out why in a second. Yes! Rad. Huh?
I think my eyes were closed.
Were they? I don't think they were.
No.
No. Okay. Oh my god, right there. Don't move a damn muscle. Oh my god, so good. Okay. F8, 400. Incredible. Good. Close your eyes, close your eyes. Big breath through your mouth. So obviously same thing, super overexposed. Something has gone terribly wrong. Rad. Good. Okay. Oh, bah,
Did you get wet?
bah.
What happened?
Hold on. Hold on. Oh, shit. Okay. So now that I actually had the flash on the proper setting, you can see that the exposure is proper. I would prefer to be a little bit darker, but I'll take it. Have a stop. Half a stop. Beautiful, right there. Keep your eyes closed, I'll tell you when to open them. So now it appears that my brain has actually fully recovered and I'm starting to get proper exposures. Really good. Keep your eyes closed. This photo actually breaks my heart because had her eyes been open, this could have been a truly incredible photo. Bleh. Yes. Oh my god, that's so good. Right there, right there. Oh, you fucking gotta be kidding me right now. Freeze. Oh my god. Right there. Yep. I'd say this was the best exposed photo, best posed, best lit photo of the day. I want to do that. I want to do that on digital because that's such a sick photo. Big breath. Amazing. Rad. Okay, I want to do that squatty one. Amazing. That's amazing. Right there. Stay right there. Yes. Amazing. Rad. So I switched over to the Cinesto XX back, and when your mind is swimming, you miss little details like that giant fist right there in front of her. Yes. So this is the first of the 3 double exposures, and you can see what they could have been. Ugh. Wow. Beautiful. Okay. Initially, when I first saw these, I was really upset, but as a few days have gone by, now I look at them and I think they're actually pretty cool. Okay, lay your head look forward like that again. Give yourself a hug again. Oh my God, right there, right there. Unbelievable. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Open. So here's the second of the 3 double exposures, and had I done this on purpose, this would actually be pretty neat. It's kind of a cool photo. Open. Turn your eyes towards me. Just your eyes. Yep. Okay. Turn your face straight towards me. Oh my God, amazing. Turn your body towards me, away from me a little more. And then your face towards me. Right there, right there, right there. Ah. That is so sick. So right there. Big punch lips. This one really hurts me, even though it kind of came out kind of neat. Both of these photos were perfectly exposed, perfectly posed, and I fucked up. That's good. Absolutely perfect. Yeah. Oh, I like your hand kind of on your face like that. Yeah, I like that. I like that. So, walk me. Okay. So you're gonna walk right towards me, and your eyes gonna be kind of either up here or over here or over there. Or somewhere in the middle. Go ahead.
Now?
Yeah. I really love these next 2 photos. I used a technique where I just used a marker on the ground and watched for the mark to take the photo. Amazing. Do it one more time. I like the hand come on your face like that, and you look that way. Okay? So you walk towards me.
That way?
And now, like, right out here.
Yeah, right there. Okay, so walk that. Amazing.
I think that if it hadn't been for these couple photos, I would have been really, really devastated by the outcome of the day.
Try to face this way. I like it this way. Try to face this way. Hey, perfect, right there.
For the last shot, you can see that it's slightly underexposed, still acceptable, but you can see where that half a stop light loss really took effect.
Well, I'll shot.
Well, that's it, everyone. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I will talk to you next time. Thanks for watching.